Alright, so after a year of development with Joel Cameron of JC DIY, of blog posts, of soliciting your feedback, we are so excited to finally be able to show you the final OLA5 vintage optical compressor kit. So the OLA5 is an exact recreation of the URI LA4 compressor circuitry, but we've upgraded the signal path, we've given you the option for a vintage or modern output, and we've added this parallel mix knob so you can do parallel compression right in the unit itself. So the LA4 was the final compressor in URI's famous, legendary LA series of compressors, the LA2A, the LA3A, and like its older siblings, it's known for its very broad, gentle, and variable compression, but it was compromised a bit by having a darker, more veiled signal path than the other two. So what we've done is we've recreated the compression circuitry from the LA4 exactly. In fact, we had to painstakingly make our own Opto cells to perfectly recreate the variable release time. But we've upgraded the signal path. So now you can have that LA4 compression, but with a clear, open sound. And we've also given you the option for this vintage output for a little bit more color with the transformer and discrete op amp just to give things a bit more heft. And finally, we've added this parallel mix knob so you can do parallel compression without any routing or using additional channels on your board or anything like that. So there are a lot more features to dig into that are on the product page. Those are just kind of the greatest hits, but we are so excited to be able to show you this kit and get it into your studio soon. We are taking pre-orders now until the end of March. And so go check it out. We've got audio samples, full list of features on the product page, and check it out and please support the pre-order if you would like to. So thank you so much. We're so excited for you to start making music with this thing.